to my channel. I'm sorry it's been a few months since I've last done a video. That's because I was on vacation for 3 weeks and then I just came back and I didn't make a video for a while. But today is gonna be a slime test. I have this container of Play-Doh that is kind of old and kind of dried out, and I'm gonna see if I can make this into actual slime. I don't know how well it's gonna work, or even if it is gonna work, but you can test it with me. See, that's what it looks like. It's blue, but it looks green in the camera. But it's blue. Yes, I know my colors. It's blue, not green. Okay, so obviously you know what ingredients you need for slime. I use these bowls that I got from Target to put slime in. I bought 2 of them so that when one is dirty I can just use the other one. And then this baking sheet I just got from my kitchen. So obviously you need some glue. I just realized that I should find something to tie my hair up with, so I'll be right back in a second. I can turn to put this glue cap back on. There we go. Now I'm gonna go get a hair tie. I'll be right. So then obviously you want activator in there. Tide is my activator. And then you can add lotion and shaving cream. I don't know how shaving cream will go in this slime, but I'm just testing it. Now let me see. Oh great, I forgot to grab them. Oh well. Okay. So obviously activator. But first I'm gonna add lotion before I add the activator. And I don't know if I should add it now or after I mix it. I'll add it now. That is a big clump of Play-Doh. I don't know if this is gonna work, you guys, but it's an experiment, so, and I like experimenting with slime. So let's see if it will turn out, shall we? Put some shaving cream in there. It might turn out without the shaving cream, but I want to see if it'll turn out with shaving cream. So now I can add my activator, and I almost spilled it, so yeah. That should be enough. Gooey. Like I said, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I kinda hope so. But the good thing is, if it doesn't work, then I'm not wasting my good Play-Doh. So, let's just see. It's time to mix. This is really hard Play-Doh. I probably should have chunked it up first. That's okay. I think it's gonna get softer while it's in the bowl. So let's just mix as best as I can. Oh, I mean, I'm gonna mix as best as I can until it's melted. I'm sorry it's gonna melt because it's activator and shaving cream and glue, and it might, I hope it sops apart easily. I'm not so, guys, I'm kind of struggling here. It's turning into slime, but it's not, but the Play-Doh isn't mixing in because it's so hard. I should have picked a little bit of softer one, but one that was still old. But I didn't know this one was so hard. So hard. Maybe if I start to knead it, I can break it up with my hands, then it'll be better, cause look. You can't really see it, there's a chunk of Play-Doh still in it. That won't, cause this isn't turning out the way I thought it would turn out. I'm gonna add some color, even though it's not working. I figure if I add color, maybe it'll help a little bit. Neon green. Neon green. Or yellow. Neon yellow. Sorry. I do know my colors, guys. Sometimes I get a little mixed up. Alright, let's mix this. The Play-Doh is definitely not I should have just done a little at a time, cause yeah, it's definitely not working. And I got too much activator on it or something, because it's like really soupy and it won't. I'm not giving up yet, guys. Almost, because I know that this isn't gonna turn into slime anymore. So, we'll just mix with the slime. I guess the Play-Doh thing was a fail, but that doesn't end the video yet, because I'm going to finish mixing this. There's still a little bit of Play-Doh in it, so I'm going to see how that comes out. See, I don't think that's gonna come out very good either. But like I said, I'm not ruining my good Play-Doh, so yeah. See, it's really chunky. Looks like cottage cheese. Looks like cottage cheese that's gone really, really bad because it's all green. Okay, so this experiment was a total fail, but I did get slime out of it. Actually, I'm gonna keep trying and just put a little bit of Play-Doh in it and knead that and see what that will do. So, we'll just mix with the slime. I guess the Play-Doh thing was a fail, but that doesn't end the video yet, because I'm going to finish mixing this. There's still a little bit of Play-Doh in it, so I'm going to see how that comes out. See, I don't think that's gonna come out very good either. But like I said, I'm not ruining my good Play-Doh, so yeah. See, it's really chunky. Looks like cottage cheese. Looks like cottage cheese that's gone really, really bad because it's all green. Okay, so this experiment was a total fail, but I did get slime out of it. Actually, I'm gonna keep trying and just put a little bit of Play-Doh in it and knead that and see what that will do. Okay guys, I'm back, and this time I do have gloves on. That's because I don't like to get my hands dirty when I mix it, so that's why I'm wearing gloves. Tell me in the comments if anybody else wears gloves when they make slime, or if it's just me, a weird person thing. So let's try to mix this up. It's really like disgusting because most of it isn't even really slime. But the Play-Doh did get softer, so that's a good thing, but I don't think this experiment is gonna work. Because it's so messy. It's so messy and gross right now. Look at. But I'm not done yet. And look at the bowl. It still has a bunch of activator and paint in it. Because I put too much activator on it. And it still has Play-Doh on it too. And I guess this wasn't a... This one was a failed experiment. But didn't make the Play-Doh a little softer. So maybe if you guys try this, and you get a different result, comment down below if you got a different result if you tried this. I mean, I'm not going to use any of my good Play-Doh, but I have some softer old Play-Doh, but I thought this was soft enough, but apparently not. I'm still trying to get it in there, though. I don't care how small my slime is. If my experiment is a success, then that'd be awesome. But so far the results are not looking good. Oops. Yeah, the results are not looking promising at all. Look. Oh, yeah. On the bite side, it's slime, but on the other hand, it was supposed to be a Play-Doh texture. Well, I mean, that's what little slime is, kind of, but I thought this would be a good experiment because I thought of putting other things in slime. I was thinking of what I could use in slime and what I could experiment with and stuff. So I come to this conclusion that it does not work, but it is slime. So I hope you enjoyed me making this slime, even though it was a total fail. And it was a total fail. Trying to take these off without making my fingers messy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this test. I'm sorry it didn't work, but you know, I experimented and it didn't work. I mean, that's if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not. And turn on and enjoyed the video. And comment if you tried this experiment and what was your result. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.